Minkejja li twieled u trabba l-Istati Uniti, l-eruq Maltin ta' ommu ġibduh biex isir ċittadin Malti. F'kummenti esklusivi ma' One News, wieħed mid-diretturi tal-film popolari Minions, il-Balda, stqarr li trabba f'kultura Maltija.
Well, the Maltese culture in my family was very present because my mother was very close to her sisters and her brothers, and so all of my Maltese cousins, and we very often would have big dinners, and everyone would be together, and I was very aware of the fact that my mother's side of the family had these very charming accents, when they spoke, and then when they spoke to each other, they were speaking Maltese.
Balda għadu sissa affaxxinat bil-lingwa Maltija, b'mod speċjali bil-melodija tal-lingwa tagħna. Minkejja li jaf jgħid biss ftit kellmiet bil-Malti, hija x-xewqa tiegħu li fi żjara li jmiss f'Malta jitgħallem aktar. Fil-fatt huwa diġà żar Malta 3 darbiet.
For me, it's a very personal thing because it's very familial. So when I'm in Malta, everybody looks and speaks in a way that is so much like my family. I mean, obviously, like my family. So I feel to be at home in a lot of ways. There's a lot of warmth in the culture and in the language and the way that people interact with each other.
Żjara minnhom kellu l-opportunità li esperjenza l-industrija tal-films Maltija u nnifsu. Huwa konferma li r-reputazzjoni tal-industrija Maltija madwar id-dinja hija waħda pożittiva ferm.
It's a very popular place to go and shoot, because of the great locations, the fantastic weather, and the reputation, I think, for the Maltese to welcome film crews and to be so accommodating and cooperative with them.
No, don't say anything. I won't understand.
Il-kreaturi tiegħu, il-Minions, huma magħrufa għal-lingwa partikolari tagħhom li fil-verità hija taħlita ta' numru ta' lingwi. Ma setax jonqos li nsaqsuh jekk fid-dera li jmiss tal-Minions jitħajjarx iżid xi kliem bil-Malti.
I've already started to plant the seed a bit about, maybe they could say a couple of things in Maltese, just to, and I think the main thing is that as long as it fits into the melody of the language and trying to find something humorous and appealing, but I think there's a lot of opportunities for Maltese to get in there. So I'll do my best.